What if I told you that you're getting richer without even realizing it? Most people think wealth comes from winning the lottery or earning a six-figure salary, but true financial success happens quietly over time. If you're doing some of these 10 things, you might already be on the path to wealth without even knowing it. Stick around because number 7 is something that will completely change the way you see money. Number 1, you spend less than you earn. One of the fundamental principles of building wealth is living below your means. If you consistently spend less than what you earn and save or invest the difference, you're setting yourself up for financial success. Many people fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation, where their expenses rise as their income increases. However, if you are disciplined with your spending and prioritize saving, you are already ahead of the game. This habit ensures financial security and allows you to accumulate wealth over time. To strengthen this habit, consider tracking your income and expenses using a budgeting app. Automating your savings can also help ensure that you're putting money aside before spending. Additionally, avoid unnecessary debt and impulsive purchases that can derail your financial progress. Number 2, your investments are growing. If you have money in stocks, real estate, or other appreciating assets, you are already on the path to wealth. Wealth accumulation occurs when your money starts generating more money. Even small investments, when left untouched, can grow significantly due to the power of compound interest. Many people underestimate the impact of long-term investing, but if you are regularly contributing to your investment portfolio, you are building wealth. To make the most of this habit, stay invested and avoid panic selling during market downturns. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes can also reduce risk and increase returns. Additionally, increasing your investment contributions as your income grows will accelerate your wealth building journey. Number 3, you have multiple streams of income. If you're earning money from more than one source, such as a side business, dividends, rental properties, or freelance work, you're increasing your financial security. Most millionaires have multiple income streams because it reduces financial risk and accelerates wealth accumulation. Relying on a single income source can be risky, but having additional streams can provide extra funds for saving and investing. To strengthen this habit, explore passive income opportunities such as dividend stocks, rental properties, or digital products. Turning hobbies or skills into profitable ventures can also create additional income streams. Online income opportunities like blogging, YouTube, or e-commerce can further enhance your earning potential. Number 4, you have little or no debt. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to building wealth. If you have little or no consumer debt, you are already in a much stronger financial position than many people. High interest debt, such as credit card balances, can quickly erode wealth as it forces you to pay interest rather than earn it. Many individuals who appear wealthy are actually drowning in debt, financing their lifestyles with loans instead of accumulated wealth. If you're prioritizing debt repayment and avoiding unnecessary borrowing, you are quietly increasing your financial freedom. To strengthen this habit, focus on paying off high-interest debts first. Avoid borrowing money for depreciating assets like cars or expensive gadgets, and instead channel your resources toward income-generating investments. Number 5, you are financially prepared for emergencies. One of the strongest indicators of financial stability is having an emergency fund. If you have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved, you are better prepared for unexpected financial challenges. An emergency fund prevents you from going into debt when faced with medical expenses, job loss, or urgent repairs. Having financial stability allows you to take calculated risks, such as starting a business or investing more aggressively, without fear of financial ruin. To further strengthen this habit, keep your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account. Continue adding to it even after reaching your goal, and avoid using it for non-essential expenses. Number 6, you continuously educate yourself about money. If you're actively learning about personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies, you're positioning yourself for long-term success. Many people assume that wealth is purely a result of luck or inheritance, but financial literacy plays a crucial role in building and maintaining wealth. Taking the time to read books, follow financial news, or learn from successful investors increases your wealth potential. To develop this habit further, aim to read at least one personal finance book every few months. Follow financial experts and investors on social media, and consider taking online courses on investing and money management. Number 7, you have a long-term financial plan. Wealth is not built overnight. It requires careful planning and execution. If you have a written financial plan outlining your goals for retirement, investments, and savings, you are ahead of most people. A clear financial strategy helps you stay focused and make informed decisions that align with your long-term objectives. Most people live paycheck to paycheck without a financial roadmap, which keeps them from building lasting wealth. To strengthen this habit, set clear financial goals, such as retiring early, buying a home, or growing your investment portfolio. Reviewing and adjusting your financial plan annually can help you stay on track, and consulting a financial advisor can provide additional guidance. Number 8, you don't rely on a paycheck to survive. If you can go several months without relying on your salary, you are on the path to financial independence. Many people work just to survive, but if you have accumulated enough savings and investments to cover your expenses without financial stress, you are quietly getting rich. Financial independence means having the flexibility to make choices based on your preferences rather than financial necessity. To reinforce this habit, focus on increasing your savings rate and investing in assets that generate passive income. Aim to achieve financial freedom rather than just earning a high salary. Number 9, your net worth is increasing. Your net worth is a true measure of your financial health. If your assets, such as savings, investments, and property, are growing while your liabilities, such as debt, are shrinking, you are building wealth. Many people focus solely on income, but wealth is determined by net worth, not just salary. If you track your net worth and see consistent growth, you are on the right path to financial success. To further strengthen this habit, regularly assess your net worth using financial tracking tools. Prioritize growing assets instead of just increasing income, and avoid lifestyle inflation as your wealth grows. Number 10, you feel less financial stress. Wealth is not just about accumulating money. It's also about financial peace of mind. If you are not constantly worried about money, bills, or debt, you are wealthier than you think. Many high-income earners still experience financial anxiety because they overspend and lack savings. Financial peace of mind comes from having a strong financial foundation, including savings, investments, and a well-thought-out financial plan. To maintain this habit, continue practicing good financial habits, focus on long-term financial security rather than short-term luxuries, and maintain a mindset of gratitude for your financial progress. So, how many of these signs do you recognize in your own life? If you're already doing even a few of these, congratulations, you're secretly getting rich. The key is to stay consistent and keep making smart financial decisions. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more insights on money and success, and let me know in the comments which sign surprised you the most. See you in the next one.